I can run a very small, succinct query onto AI, but I can also ask it to do much more. In this particular case, I'll just do 10 top zip codes with highest average credit scores. Hit enter, and hopefully the AI will notice what is the data available on the canvas already and start building the rest of the pipeline for us. Amazing. And so again, we can see the thinking process that the AI goes into, generating the code, fixing any potential issues, and finally drawing that visual representation of the pipeline, the end result directly for us. Now, in this case, very interesting. So actually, it looks like AI produced in the first pass some code that had a potential issue, but no problem. The tool is gonna keep going and iterating to identify those issues and fix them. And amazing. Now we have the pipeline created for us that does exactly what we wanted it to do. And we can see the data showed up really fast. That's awesome. We have the top 10 average credit scores. Now, but how do we know this is doing the correct computation? Well, we need to inspect it step by step. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Go through every single one of those gems with this inspect mode. And I can see that we are first running a join. We can see the data before and after. After the join, we are filtering the data for not nulls. Okay. There is a little bit of transformation here. This one is a pretty interesting one. So here we are aggregating the data and by the postcode and computing an average credit score. And again, I can see the data before and after. So for every single step, you can go step by step and make sure that you understand well what AI has done. And if anything is wrong, of course, you can go in and fix it yourself as well. At any particular point in time, if you want to enhance the pipeline through code or visual interface, you of course can do that as well. So I can drag and drop an additional component here, which is going to be a join just to demonstrate that functionality, and bring in additional data of geographic latitude, longitude points for each one of my cities. So I can actually visualize it on the map as well. Right, so I'm just gonna join this data together, add the right columns, and you can see how easy it is to build those pipelines directly through the visual canvas. And we can run this and now start seeing the data on the other side as well. Again, everything running natively on top of Databricks. Here we go. So this is my data. Now I have those points as well. And we can, of course, very easily visualize it on the map. So those are my top cities with highest average credit scores. Seems like a lot of them are in Florida. I hope there are some lucky people living in Florida today on the call. Very interesting insight.